Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find my plan versus 2020 meme template and how to edit the template. So for that you need to go to this website. Link to this website you can find in the description box below. Here in this website you will see this button, make it, tap there. Okay, now this is the template. Already some pictures are there. Let's remove the picture. Tap on the image to select. Now at the top you will see the delete button. Let's delete. And here you have many options. You can add text, you can add images, you can add timelines, scenes, audio, subtitles, and many things. So let's go with image for simple. Let's search some image. Okay, let's select the first picture. Okay, it's a big picture. Let's make it a little smaller. Okay, now let's search a different picture. Let's make this a bit smaller. Okay, and we are done. So now at the top you can see the publish button, tap there. Okay, and we are done. If you want to remove the watermark at the bottom of the picture, then you can sign in with your Google or Facebook login. And if you don't want to log in, then it's okay, you can use the watermark version and you can share it to Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or you can download the picture. Okay, the picture is downloaded. Okay, so this is the picture. Now you can use it wherever you want. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this my plan 2020 meme template and use this template. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.